This tutorial is on setting up and placing M21 daily trades. M21 daily trades are placed based on the indicators at the open of a daily candle with a take profit level of 10 pips. So first we'll look at setting up the profile. So if we go to our MT4 platform and open it, go to our default profile setting, we then select the currency pair we want to trade, click Aussie US for this example, the daily time frame. We then install the M21 D1 template, which you should already have installed in your MT4 platform. Next we need a vertical line. This vertical line gets placed in the position of the next candle to open. And we use this just as a point of reference, gives you a clear point to look at when evaluating the trade, and while using the M21 Trade Assessor. Another useful tool is the Snapshot EA. So if you drag and drop the Snapshot EA, click OK, and this will take a snapshot at the candle open and file it for future reference. So if you want to find this, you go click on File, Open Data Folder, click on MQL4, Files, and go to Aussie US and the 1440 being the daily, and as you can see it keeps records of all the snapshots it's taken. Keep in mind that the Snapshot EA only works if the profile is open at the time. We then save this profile. So if you save it as AUD USD snapshot, click OK. Now we use this profile for evaluating our trades, and a good idea now is also to set up a second profile. So if we save this second profile just as M21 daily, and you would use this profile to place your trades. So click OK. We then remove the Snapshot EA, and insert either the Order Take Profit Jumper or TPSL insert. Now, the TPSL insert can be used to preset your take profit level and your stop loss level. So what we need to do now is calculate our take profit level, or stop loss level. So if we go to the Born to Live Free website, click on the Business in a Briefcase calculator, and we use this to calculate not only our stop loss level, but also gives our lot size. So we click on the currency pair, which is Aussie US, our trend, a time frame, which is D1 or daily, enter our equity, and our high-low close price of the previous weekly candle. Now if you don't need to know, and by doing this, this will calculate your lot size and also give you your stop level. Now if your risk profile is more than 1%, just adjust accordingly, and again it will give you the lot size. Now the lot size is given for 3 orders at a certain lot size, but as we're placing one order only, you would multiply the lot size by 3. Now if you don't need to know your lot size, you can go to the forum, and there may already be a weekly report for the currency pair you're trading available. And as you can see here, we have a weekly report for the Aussie US. So if we open this, click on View Report, it gives us our stop level. So if we now we know the stop level, if we go back to our MT4 platform with the TPSL insert, right click on the TPSL insert, click on properties, and as you can see, we can enter our take profit level and our stop loss level. Okay, so now we've got everything set, and this can all be done on the weekend, and which takes all the pressure off you when it comes to the open of the daily candle. You have all your settings preset, so all you need to worry about is assessing the indicators, filling in the trade assessor, and then placing the trade. So what we'll do now is, just before the candle open, is go to your profile with a snapshot. And on the candle open, not only will the snapshot EA take a photo, but you can also manually take it. So if you go save as picture, make sure your settings are as it is here with active chart as is, and post image online. And this will give you a link to an image which, if you're posting your trade on the forum, you can use this link. I'll just give you the example. If you click OK, and as you can see, it opens up an image, fixed image, so indicators can be assessed as they were on the open without any movement. And as you can see here, we have our link, which we can copy and paste on the forum. Okay, so if we now close this, and what we'll do, we'll go to the trade assessor, which you can see here. And it's a good idea to just place this on half screen, so when you're assessing your trade, you can have both windows in front of you and not have to flick between while answering the questions. But what I'll do now is, there's some examples of how to answer questions just on the trade assessor. So if I click here and scroll down, you'll come to the M21 examples. And if you just scroll down through these, it gives you different scenarios and how to answer these questions in the trade assessor. So if we now go back to the trade assessor, once you've answered these questions, or prior to answering the question, first select the buy or sell, and then your time frame, which is D1, and then your currency pair, Aussie USD. You would then answer the questions and click submit. Now once you've clicked submit, it will give you an answer to either yes, place trade, or no trade. Just to show you an example of this, if we go to the forum and we find an M21 daily trade, we'll click on this, view report, and as you can see, it gives you a clear indication of yes, place trade. And once you get this, you would go back to your NT4 platform, go to your profile that you actually place the trade on. So if we go to the Aussie US M21 daily, with the TPSL insert. Now, if the price action is still within 2 pips of the open price, just use your right click on the side of the price action in which the direction of the trade you want to go. So for a sell, I would click below the price action. Go on trading, sell stop, click on sell stop, enter my lot size, and click on place. And this should automatically set your take profit and your stop loss level. Now, alternatively, if the price action is already moved more than 2 pips in the direction of the trade you're placing, you can place a pending order. So to place the pending order, you will click on New Order, Market Execution, and change to Pending Order. And being a sell, we would have place a sell limit trade. Now the price of that we want to enter would be the open price of the candle. So we would enter our open price of the candle in here, our take profit level, which would be the 10 pips, and our stop loss level is 83.2 pips above the open price. Once we've done this, we'll click on place, and if the price action retraces, it will open the order and your take profit and stop loss levels will be already set. So I'll just close this off. Once this is done, just walk away and let the price action go where it's going to go. Now, one other thing to remember is on the following day, if your trade is still open, if the green lines open in anything but the same direction as when you place the trade, you would close the trade manually. And that's how we go about placing our M21 daily trades.